Greetings, this is Earthman from Organic's Living Soil, living a blessed life, knowing that God is good and He is working and alive in all things. And that includes organic gardening. Here we got my, we're 10 feet now, they're pushing 11 feet tomato plants. Just wanted to follow up on that. Yeah, it's been a great summer when it comes to these plants have done really well, and they're all done organic. Just amazing living soil, stuff I've been talking to you guys about, and just um, you don't need chemicals, you don't need Miracle-Gro, you don't need any of their junk, okay? And another thing is liquid organic nutrients. You don't need that either. All you need is living soil that's loaded with lots of nutrients and stuff, and then you keep it mulched and you take care of your microbes and your roots, and you'll never have any problems with having large plants that grow healthy organic food that is medicine for your bodies. And so yeah, a lot of my plants are pushing 8 feet, 10 feet, 11 feet, as you can see way above there. And yes, it can be done organically. And I just want to show you guys something, that these huge 11-foot plants are being grown out of soil that are in these bags. That's it. They're maybe 4.5, 5 gallons of soil, and look at what they're doing. And yeah, you don't need a lot of organic soil to do this, and so you just need living soil. So come check us out, Organically Living Soil. Buy the microbes, put them in your soil, let them do the rest. That's what they do. And so may God bless you this day. You have a good one.